So hello everyone. I think more than 30 people joined, so we will start now. Let other people join later. So today we are going to showcase two products, as I said earlier. One is the Aircast, which is the wireless collaboration device, and also we have an Astra Pro here, that's based streaming recorder and encoder device. So first I will show the Aircast device features, followed with the small demo of the product. Then we will move on to the Astra Pro. Hope my video and audio is clear to you. If there are any clarification, doubts, and if you want anything raised, please put it in the chat. My technical team will assist you there. So let me share the screen first. Hope everyone can see the screen. So in this Aircast wireless collaboration device, we have two models. One is the basic model, which is the Aircast AC BYOD model, and the second one is the Aircast AC W BYOM. So this basic model BYOD is only for the local presentation. For example, user can bring their laptop, they can connect through Miracast AirPlay for iOS device, and they can use a dongle to connect to the display, and wirelessly they can share the content. Maximum 16 participants can share their content through the Aircast BYOD model. And simultaneously, in a full screen, you will have a 4-quadrant view of them. So out of 16, 12 people can join through the dongle, and 2 can be through Miracast, and 2 can be the AirPlay. So the basic model supports only the local wireless presentation, whereas the second model is the Aircast ACW is the BYOM model, bring your own meeting. So the main difference between this is you can connect the video conferencing cameras in this model. It supports 4 USB inputs we have, and you can connect your all-in-one sound bars, or you can connect any PDZ camera, and separately you can connect a speaker phones. Based on the room size, you would be designing the cameras and speaker phones. Accordingly, you can connect all the AV devices through this box, and from this we will connect HDMI out to the display. So the user, whoever comes, they can connect to this dongle. We have a 2 type of dongle. One is the HDMI dongle. The second one is the Type-C dongle. So they can connect based on their laptop interface. They can use this dongle to connect. Once they are connected, this dongle, the AV devices which is connected in the receiver will be accessed in the laptop. They can start the Zoom or Teams session. Wirelessly, they will have access to all the AV devices, and they can start the session immediately. It's once you connect the dongle, it will take 6 to 10 seconds. Then you can join the meeting. And also this anyway, since it supports 16 simultaneous participants, rest of them can be also joined through Miracast or AirPlay for a local meeting as well. So some of the future highlighted is you can connect, we can connect any camera, microphones, and sound bars and output to the display. We have a compatible list in the website, which we tested most of the brands like Logi, Poly, Ever, ANT, and listed the compatible list. You can go through the list before connecting any AV devices to the receiver. And with a single click, you can join the meeting. Another important feature is the interactive touchback and annotation feature, which I will showcase how it works. Suppose dual Wi-Fi network, BYOD, BYOM, and 4-quadrant view in a single screen. And also, as I said, we support 2 types of dongle. One is the Type-C and HDMI dongle. Let me show the product first, then I can. Yeah. So this is the receiver. So we have 2 types of dongle. This is the HDMI dongle for a laptop which supports HDMI, and this is the Type-C dongle. So this is not a button based, it's a completely touch initiative button. We can connect based on the laptop interface. And I have connected one all-in-one soundbar USB to this Aircast. And the Aircast output I have connected to the interactive display. let me show this. Back. Please, sir. Go back. Yeah. So now we have one laptop, which will connect a HDMI interface there. So the dongle will blink for a few seconds. Yeah. So once the dongle is stable, I can click it. Immediately, my screen, laptop screen, will be shared in the display. Yes, you can show the display. So in this display, my HDMI laptop is wirelessly connected. So here you can see the camera and the microphone symbol where we connected all-in-one soundbar. So it indicates that microphone and the video is available in my laptop now. So since we have a touchpad connectivity feature, here you can see the HDMI output from the Aircast we have connected in the receiver from the receiver, and also one USB cable which we connected from the display to the receiver. Since it is a touchscreen display, we can use the touchpad annotation feature. So here you can see I can completely control this laptop from here. So this is the touchpad feature which we have talked about. That is one thing. And also we can connect to one mobile. Let me show. I will connect from my mobile for a Miracast application. So I connected from my Android mobile for a Miracast screen sharing. So now you can see my Windows laptop is connected to the dongle, and I have connected my mobile to the Miracast. So there are two inputs. Like this, you can connect iOS, AirPlay, or MacBook. So here, since it's a touchscreen display, I can control the layouts as well. Here, once the participants are connected, the number of participants will be visible. Up to 16 will be there. So you can swipe down and you can do the control here. If I want to make this laptop input full screen, I can do that. Or if I want to showcase only my mobile input, I can do. Or both. I can do this wirelessly. And also, this Aircast receiver supports the annotation feature as well. So here you can see there is the annotation feature. On top of the shared device, I can do the annotation. All this annotation touchpad feature are possible only if we have an interactive touch display. And this is on top, we can do the annotation on the shared presentation. If you want to save this annotation, you can save this project in the internal storage, or if you connect any USB storage to the Aircast, you can save this document to the external storage as well. So if you're saving the internal storage, you can just give some file name and you can save it. It will generate a small barcode. Even you can scan and download it to your mobile. Yeah, so the third one you're seeing is the laptop MacBook. MacBook also log into the dongle. So using a Type-C dongle, one of the joined to the MacBook. So currently we have one MacBook. Okay. Here we have connected a HDMI dongle for a Windows laptop. I have connected a Type-C from my MacBook and one mobile. So totally 3 inputs we have connected in the display.
One mobile also.
Yes. So just now you will see the 3 connector inputs. In that I want to make my MacBook full screen. That is possible. Just now we can control. Also, we can remove the participants. If I don't want to show them in the quadrant view, I can remove the participant. All this control can be done over the
Connect to the Wi-Fi, right? Huh?
So if we are not using any touchscreen display, then we have to connect a wireless USB mouse in the receiver, and through the wireless mouse, you have to do all this setup of adding the participant, making them full screen, bringing them back. All this can be done through the mouse. So we have connected a camera in this Aircast. So wirelessly, I can access the cameras. Yeah, this is the meeting room camera. So in my laptop, since I connected through the dongle, I can receive the feed from the camera. So if I do a Teams and Zoom call, the same AV feeds will be available in the platform. So that's it about the Aircast demo. Let me just. So I'll share my screen and show the Astra Pro presentation. Also, I will show the product demo as well. The Astra Pro touch model, which is
Any questions for Aircast?
okay. Before going to the Astra Pro, is there any questions or clarification for the Aircast? We can discuss that. Then I think we can move on to the Astra Pro. So we have some question from Sean. Yeah, do we need to install any application along with the USB dongle? No, we don't require to install any application. Once you connect the USB, it automatically install the driver on the backend if it is Type C. And if it is HDMI, it doesn't require to install any driver also. So it automatically connects there. Yeah, Mr. Rahul, please unmute yourself and ask your question. Vignesh, can you enable Mr. Rahul?
Yeah, now can you listen me? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah,
Mr.
so
Rahul.
my question was that do we need to connect this Aircast unit with the help of USB to the display unit? Is it
Yeah,
necessary?
it is not actually. If you are using interactive display and if you want
Okay.
to control the connected laptop through the dongle, then you need to connect the USB. Otherwise, it is not mandatory.
This is what the main subject is, so that it would be a freedom that anybody can connect from anywhere and there would be no wired thing. This is what the main concept actually I think so. जो
Yes.
Aircast unit का main feature ही वही है ना कि हमको कोई cabling करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, else cable से तो सब कुछ possible है इसे. So that's what my question. So in case of annotation and accessing the touch feature of the display, in that particular case we need to have that particular thing, right?
Yeah,
We need to
in
connect
that
by the cable.
scenario also, you have to connect a USB cable from the receiver. So generally, the wireless receiver will be in the back of the display or it will be on the rack. So from there, we can connect the USB cable to the display. On the table from your laptop, all you require is to connect only this dongle. That's it.
ओके सो इन दिस केस इट मींस कि आपको आउटपुट यूनिट जो है वो मतलब आउटपुट का जो भी प्रोजेक्शन सिस्टम है उसको आपको वाया केबल कनेक्ट करना ही होगा आपके इस यूनिट से, राइट? वो वायरलेस पे
Yes,
कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाएगा. ऑलराइट,
correct,
ओके,
correct.
थैंक यू, गॉट इट.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, someone else also raised the hand. So, Vignesh, can you enable the second person, Mr. Srinivas or Kishan? Yeah, Kishan, you can just unmute and speak. Yeah, Mr. Srinivas, can you?
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi, Satya. This
I
is
can hear
Varda,
you.
Varda from SAN Protocol. How are you?
Oh, hello, sir. How are you, sir? Fine, fine.
Fine,
Yeah,
fine. Thank you
please.
very much. Satya, I had one question. See, now there are three components in this product, right? You are showing a wireless
Yes.
device, showing a dongle, and then you also have a touchpad, right? Touch control.
So, no, sir. Only this is a different product that after this clarification, I will start the demo of this one.
I
This
see.
is a Aircast device receiver and the dongle, only the
Only
parts.
RX and TX dongle. That's all, right?
That's it, sir. That's it.
And what you demonstrated was multiple laptops or multiple mobiles or combination of mobile and laptop. Both are possible.
Correct, sir. So we have connected one Windows laptop, one MacBook, one Android phone, one iPhone.
How many simultaneously can come? Up to 8, is it?
16 simultaneous connection to the receiver is possible. In a full view, you can maximum 4 in the quadrant.
Okay. One more important question. See, now what happens is when we are talking about BYOM, Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
when I get into a customer's infrastructure, let us say now I go to a customer place, I want to
Okay.
present my stuff. Now, most of the times, what's happening is most of the devices are working on. I mean, customer has to enable me on their network.
Correct. Correct.
But is it possible that without getting onto his network,
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
I should be able to still present?
Correct, correct. So once you connect the see the Aircast receiver will be connected only in the display. Of course, it can get connected with the customer network, but it is not necessary. If you don't want to give the guest access to the existing customer network, then you can connect the Aircast only to the display. And for the guest, we can give the dongle to connect in the laptop. So it will be directly connected to the receiver. So no way we will.
Let us say my laptop has my own internet, so I'll still be able to
Correct.
do a call, right? I'll be able to do
That's
local
it.
presentation as well as video call
Video
also.
call also.
So
And
it's not
if
mandatory that I should be on the customer's network. I can still do
correct,
it,
sir.
without getting into his network, right?
Yes, yes. And also this Aircast supports a normal wireless AP function as well. In case if the customer wants to connect the Aircast in the existing network, that is also possible. For the guest, through this device also we can give internet as well, if in case they want to give.
Okay. Fantastic. And what kind of security protocols do you use for this?
All are the latest model security updates are there, sir. Once this call is over, I will share you the detailed data sheet and all the specifications.
Okay. Fine. Fantastic, Satya. Thank you very much. Thank you. Go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Kishan, you want some clarification? Your mic is enabled. Okay, we can't hear you. Okay, anyone else want to have some clarification or please raise your hand. Okay, in case if you want to ask some questions, please put it on the chat. Right now, I will move on to the next product demo, Astra Pro, which is a touch-based recording and streaming device. Let me just share the presentation. So hope you can see the presentation. So this is the 13-inch touchscreen based recorder and streamer product, which can be wall mounted in the classroom, or it will be useful in the healthcare for the surgery recording in the operation theater as well. The highlighted feature of this product is it supports 5 video input. When we say 5, one is HDMI input and remaining 4 is the IP input. So most of the Pro Series cameras or PDZ cameras supports IP. So from those cameras we can connect 4 input, and also it supports 1 HDMI input as well. And everything can be controlled in a single touch in the classroom. Once it's all pre-configured, the lecturer walks into the class with a single touch, they can enable the recording. And also another important feature is the schedule tab. So this recording in the Astra Pro, you can schedule like every day the recording. Okay. Sorry for the short delay. I think there is some issue with my network here. Yeah. Hope you can see me and hear me now. So let me share the screen again. Yeah, so we were discussing about this Astra Pro product. I'll just go through again. So it's a touchscreen based recording and streaming device. It is completely a one-touch control. So once we configure this device, the user can easily control this device in a single touch. It can be mounted in the classroom near the whiteboard or interactive display. It's a wall-mountable touchscreen based device. So the lecturer or a user can just walk into the room and they can, with a single touch, they can enable the recording and streaming, and also they can change the layout. And the other important feature is it supports 5 video input. Comes with 1 HDMI and 4 IP inputs. So IP input from the lecture tracking camera like NT Pro Series or Ever Pro Series. Any PDZ camera which supports IP or TSP, we can get that feed from the network. So the Astra Pro will be connected on the network, and the PDZ cameras will be connected on the network. And from that, we can get 4 inputs. Apart from that, we suppose one HDMI input also for a laptop or other thing. And the scheduled task also we have. The recordings can be scheduled like every day. The recording should be automatically on at 9 a.m. Should be stopped at 3 p.m. Those kind of scheduling of recordings and live streaming is available. And also while the recording, you can switch the layout as well. There are a predefined layout. If we are connecting 5 input, there are multiple layouts available. We can switch between in the recording. And it supports built-in 1 TB storage. So 1 hour of recording will be approximately 3 to 3.5 GB. We can also increase that built-in storage up to 4 TB as well. And the multi-view layout support also there. So earlier, if we want to connect a multiple video inputs, we need to have a video switcher or a kind of multi-viewer. Then we will take output from that to record it. But since Astra Pro supports multi-view functionality, all the 5 inputs can be changed in the multiple layouts as well. So let me show this how it is integrated in the education solution. So in a classroom, let's say we have this box connected with the lecturer camera and a couple of students' camera. All this connected through the RTSP single network and the lecturer PC along with the audio system. So this is the simple connectivity. And from this box, you can record it and have the built-in storage in the box, which can be downloaded through the browser or through the pen drive connected to this device. Apart from this, it is seamlessly integrated with our UBCAS CMS. Let's say if there are connected the Astra Pro in 10 to 20 classrooms or above, then all these recordings to be managed centrally to give the access to the students, right? So this box is tightly integrated with UBCAS CMS. The videos will be, once the recording is stopped in the Astra Pro, it is automatically uploaded to UBCAS. From this content management server, you can give access to the student. Because it is having a separate lot of multiple features. Before publishing the videos to the students, you can do a lot of activities as well. And from the Astra Pro, you can also directly do a live streaming to YouTube, Facebook, or any RTMPS protocol as well. I just stop my screen share and show the product to you. Can you just put I hope you can see the product. This is the view of the Astra Pro, which will be wall mounted in a classroom. So in the home screen, you can select a layout. So in the home screen, you can select a layout. Right now, we have connected a one camera in the RTSP, which is a PDC 20mm, which is on the network. And I connected my laptop on the HDMI. This is the laptop. So with the double touch, you can change the screen layout. So here you can see the recording button. With the click, you can start the recording. And you have a pause button here. You can enable the pause, you can stop the recording. Also, we have a live streaming. Once it configured, you can enable the live streaming here. That is also possible. On the menu, again, you have a set function where you can select the storage priority as well. So as I said, built in, there are 1 TB storages now. Right now, the capacity available free is 930 GB. So in this delete priority function, if the storage is full, it will delete the old video. That can be configured here. And this is just a network settings. So also you can access the stored files here. So each recording will create a 3 video files here. So one is the complete layout view, whatever the layout which we created as 2, 3 inputs are created, there will be a layout of 3 people. So that view will be recorded as one file. And apart from that, the second and third camera can be also recorded separately. So we can, in the recording file, you can simply access 3 files. One will be the multi-view layout, and the second and third will be the separate input of my camera 1 or 2 can be selected. So also in this PTZ function, if the camera is enabled with the VSCA protocol, you can control the camera from the touch panel itself. So let's say we connected 4 cameras in the IP through the network, and all the cameras are enabled in the VSCA protocol. Then you can select the camera and you can control pan, tilt, zoom, everything from here. And we have a power option of shutdown and restart. This is the function in the touchscreen display. Let me share the screen and show the IP interface of the Astra Pro. So this is the IP interface of the Astra Pro. I have logged through the IP. This is the home screen. So here, apart from the device recording operation, you can also start and stop the recording through the browser as well. And you can enable the live streaming as well here. So on selecting the layout here, you can see I can select a full screen layout of a single input, or I can select a picture in picture like this, or 50-50. There are multiple layouts. Let's say if we connected a 5 input, this is the final layout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we have connected just 2 inputs. Remaining 3, 4, 5 will be in this layout. This is a multi-view layout or a 4-quadrant view. Based on the number of inputs you are connecting, you can choose the layout, and you can enable the recording. This is the live streaming option. On top of the video, if you want to add a subtitle, you can select the subtitle here. Here you can see it is selected. If you want to add your logo on the recording, you can add a logo like this. And also it supports title, trailer. Before the video, if you want to play 3 to 4 seconds of some video, that is also can be uploaded here. And OSD menu for a date and timestamp, if you require, you can enable and disable here. All this can be done in the web GUI. And from the first input to second input, if you want to do some transition, and that is also possible here. Let me show the settings to you. So this is the subtitle creation setting. We have uploaded a few logos here. And if you want to upload your customer logo, that can be done here. You can upload it. This is the logo section. You can upload the logo here. And this is the subtitle. This is the title trailer. Before video, if you want to add any 10 seconds of your company profile video or something, here you can add and modify the duration. And OSD menu enable, disable. And this is the recording setting section. So there's 5 inputs shown here. So you can enable and disable the resolution, the bitrate, frames. You can do all the settings in the record here. This is the scheduling setting. So we discussed earlier, right? So you can enable the auto recording after startup, and you can schedule the time here, what time it should start. And you want to select that for every day or particular day, you can schedule the recording and timing here. Same thing, you can do it for the live streaming as well. And this is the input section where you can find we have 5 input. One is on the top HDMI. Remaining, we have to select RTSP, or you can enable the 3GST. The 3GST is an optional. When you're ordering, you can order along with the 3GST as well. And output, we have 2 output. So HDMI output 1 will give you the output of the layout which we created in the display. The second output will be the direct program output. The full layout, whatever GUI you've seen in the touch screen, it will be completely visible in the second output. This is the PTZ VSCA protocol control. If your camera is enabled with VSCA, then you can do the settings here. By enabling here, you can control the camera either through the browser or through the touch screen itself. So these are some of the important settings I have shown. So you can also access the recording file here in the document. Either you can click it and play back directly here, or you can download it. You can also push this recording files to the customer local NAS server as well. And you can download through the external pen drive, which once you connect external pen drive in the Astra Pro, you can download that. The third thing will be connected with the Ubicast CMS. We can auto push the recording file in the CMS. Yeah, so that's it about the features of the Astra Pro. So the same box can be used in the operation theater for a surgery recording application. I just show you the connectivity. So you can connect any surgical camera. If it supports HDMI, we can connect directly. If it supports IP, then we can take an IP input to this Astra Pro. Or we can use an IP to HDMI connector. We can connect to this box. And also we can connect one general view. So all these videos can be created a layout, and it can be, the surgery can be recorded. Again, it can be uploaded to the CMS as well. So it will be very easy for the doctors in the operation theater to access the recording, and they can start and stop immediately. Simple touch. Earlier we used to log in through the browser and do all the settings. Here it's just a one-touch recording to start the surgeries as well. So that's a two application where it can be used, and I have shown some of the important setting to you. This box will be available for a demo. So what I do, I will put our guys in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra and Delhi guys details. If you want to have a live demo, then you can contact them. So in this Astra Pro, if you have any clarification or doubts, please raise your hand. We can discuss it. So all the our contact details are listed below. So you can contact them for your region demonstration of both Aircast and Astra.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
I have allowed Sanjeev. Mr. Sanjeev, you can unmute your end. You can talk.
Yes, Sanjeev, just unmute yourself so that we can hear you.
Yeah, you can hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Just run a video file on your Aircast. I want to see if there's any lag on that.
Video on the Aircast. Yeah, I'll just run 1 second. Give us 2 minutes. I will connect the dongle in the laptop and play you a video. Yeah.
Any specific video formats it supports, or all video formats it supports?
All whatever videos running in your laptop, it supports.
It will support. Okay.
Yeah. Can you see the video?
Yeah, I can see the video.
Yeah. Yeah, this video completely played from the Aircast wireless dongle.
Yeah,
that was played from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this from this laptop through the Type-C dongle.
Yeah, majors, I want to just check if there's any lag. That's all.
Okay, fine.
So
Because here we are pitching I'm trying to pitch this product against Barco.
Okay.
Because Barco is the only device which gives you a lag-free video.
So it's playing from my laptop with this time.
So we are connected to Type-C dongle here. And
Right.
the video played. So like this, you can play any videos. Dongle also, we have a two type of dongle, Type C dongle, and we support HDMI dongle. Both dongles are there. Okay, Sanjay. Hope we clarified your doubts. In
Yeah,
case if you want a demo, we can. You're from?
I'm from Pune.
Okay, Pune. So my colleague Pradeep is there. So
Yeah, I had a word with Pratik yesterday. He said he has the device with him. He's coming next week to the office.
great. Okay, you can have some experience on. Anyone else want to?
Yeah, there were a lot of hand raises, no?
Yeah, earlier they were discussed. Vignesh, can you enable everyone so that we can discuss with all?
Krishna.
Yeah, Rahul, Kumar, I think you can unmute yourself now.
Satya, Varda
Hello.
here, Satya.
Hello,
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Satya, can
Yes.
you hear me? Rahul this side.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
Yes,
I was
yes, Rahul.
concerned about two things. Number one is case study and use cases of this particular product. That in which particular domain you people already pitched this and it is working very well. So if we have any case study, kindly share that thing.
Sure, sure.
And second
Yeah.
point, which I would like to know about, that what specifically the problem this product is solving for people, right? Means अगर हम इसे बोले कि particularly जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रोडक्ट्स चल रहे थे उससे ये प्रोडक्ट कैसे डिफरेंट है, तो ये दो चीजों का आंसर मुझे चाहिए. दिस व्हाट माय मेन कंसर्न. प्लीज गो अहेड.
Sure. The case study details I will send you, Rahul. We have a lot of good case studies which we recently deployed this product with Logi, Poly, and Naver devices. And the second question is, compared to any other model, since it supports a multi-video input, and the BYOM function is another standard function. So using the dongle, you can directly do the video conferencing. That is one thing main. And it supports a touchpad functionality, multiple inputs, and the simultaneous connection of 16. These are all some of the highlighted features.
Encrypted.
Yeah, all the connections are completely encrypted.
Okay.
Then this box you can put it on the back of the display or connect in the customer network. If they want to use it for the internet purpose also, that is possible. And the dongle is also very touch sensitivity dongle. We are not giving any direct buttons here. It's a complete touch sensitivity device. So it will
Okay,
not easily
Okay,
break
one
up.
more thing that as you show the structure, the diagram in which it was showing that a ubcast server is also connected over there. So what was the integral role of that particular ubcast server into it?
Yeah, so the Astra Pro is a recording and streaming device, right? So when you record multiple sessions in a classroom,
Then you will
and
store it on a
distributing
server. Okay.
store it on the either customer server or you can use a UPCast CMS so that you can distribute the video to the students through the link itself. So they can, like for example, first year students can access the first year videos. And all this can be categorized like based on the subject wise, date wise, lecture wise. Yeah.
Got it.
And
That's
one
my mistake.
more, yeah, so one more unique feature of the ubcast thing is that you can do auto indexing. Okay. So the software actually OCRs any text in your presentation or any text in the comments that you have made. And it will index that video with those key words. You can also index it on your own. You can index it by subject, by topic, by lecturer, by class, by grade. You can index it by various things. So then what happens is it has a search function. So students can easily search for any kind of video. Okay. If they are looking for, say, any topic, like they are looking at geometry, okay, and within geometry they are looking at equilateral triangles. Then they just need to search for equilateral triangle, and it will pull up all the videos which are
relevant videos will come into the okay, got it. Yeah.
So it becomes very user friendly, and the students can actually make use of the videos.
Okay, that's great. Okay.
Yeah. Have we answered your question?
Yes, definitely, sir. Over to you, Satya. Yeah.
Thank you, Robert.
Yeah, most welcome.
Who else is there? Vignesh, can you?
Kishan is there. Kishan, can you unmute?
Has he been enabled?
Yeah.
No, he's in the mute.
Yeah, he has to be enabled.
Ah.
Kishan has to unmute.
Satya, I have a couple of questions. Satya, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. See, thing is now, let us say, I understand your ubicast situation is required when we have multiple, recordings, right?
Correct, sir.
Multiple
Yeah.
streams coming into the system and record and stream simultaneously. What is the maximum
Yes.
number of things it can do? How many sessions it can do? I mean, let us say we have got 20 different rooms. Is it possible that it supports all 20 simultaneous recordings and streams?
Yes, sir. So, for example, in a 20 classroom, we have this box to record and upload to the Ubica. We can do multiple.
This device is
there no
device
restriction.
required in all the 20 rooms, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Supposing there is a scenario where there is people do not want to use ubicast, they just want to use this device. It is possible, right?
Correct.
Straight away, it's a
Yes,
simple
yes.
product.
Simple product. Yeah.
Somebody
You
who
can
wants to
just
use it on
install
a
it
single
and
classroom basis, they can use only this.
correct.
So this
Ubicast is an optional CMS when you want to maintain all those contents, distribute accordingly with other features, then we can use it. Otherwise, we can use it as a simple one box solution.
Standalone device also. This one, right?
Yes.
And one more thing is when you start streaming, this is it recording somewhere and then streaming, or is it live streaming also?
Recording and streaming simultaneously happens. The recording will be stored, the raw video file will be stored locally in here. Parallelly, it will do a live streaming there. So even though if you have some glitch in the live streaming, the recording file won't be available.
Okay. But the link is directly generated, is it? You can easily generate the streaming link.
Yeah, streaming through RTMP, if we are doing a YouTube stream, then we can copy paste from the YouTube and we can configure here. So once I start as live here, it will directly stream to YouTube or Facebook, any RTMP server for that matter.
Okay. Fine. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Vardhara. So just one thing before we wind up on that issue thing. So the entire solution is recording and streaming and creating a library of your recorded videos.
Correct.
So this can be done in multiple ways. So you can do the recording from a device like this Ubicast, the Aircast, the Astra Pro device, okay, and upload it to Ubicast. Or you can do recording from anywhere. It could be from your laptop, it could be a Zoom call, it could be any kind of recording, which you can upload into Ubicast. Okay. At the same time, you can use the Astra Pro as a simple recorder without having Ubicast. So they are independent systems. They can work. The ideal solution is that they work together, because then recording, streaming, and creating a digital library happens together. But you can also have digital library separate and recording and streaming separate. Okay, so the recording can happen from anywhere. The advantages that Astro Pro provides is huge, because you can do recording and streaming, and it's one-touch recording, and it's interactive, and there are multiple layouts that you can create and all that. So large number of advantages with this. But even if you're doing just a Zoom recording, okay, that can also be automatically pushed into Ubicast.
Can we just go back to that that layout? When we connect different products, we are connecting the student microphone, we are connecting.
Okay.
Just want to see that diagram.
Yes,
I have a couple of questions there. In this, let us say that what do you call this product? Your product? Sorry, I didn't get the name of the product.
Astra
Pro. So this product will have it has all the inputs, right? Your PC input, your microphone input, Ethernet input, and the camera, 4 cameras inputs, right?
Correct.
Okay. So in a scenario where there is already a setup where people are using existing audio system, like a wireless microphone, handheld microphone system, so this can get connected to the mixer or the amplifier.
Then from the mixer we can connect. We can take one output and connect in the Astra.
Connect, right? Okay. So all those regular connectivity, analog connectivity is possible on this regular audio system connectivity.
Yeah. It supports line in, microphone in, regular stereo 3.5.
Okay. But will it have any audio issues? Because they will not. I mean, normal classrooms will not normally have any DSPs and all. They will be using just a mixer and then doing it. So the quality of
it
audio,
supports both.
how it's going to be, we don't know.
Yes. So whatever the audio mixer is, whether analog mixer or a digital mixer, we can directly connect to the Astra Pro. But the microphone qualities depends on the particular.
Correct. Fine.
And once all the feeds are there, we can mix it in a single layout and we can record it. The same layout can be broadcasted. And also in the recorded file, you will have two types. One will be let's say 3 cameras plus your laptop, 4 layout recording. Apart from that, if you want to record an individual file of the particular camera, that can be also recorded.
Correct. So this is available for demo for the customer?
Yes. The device is available here in Bangalore. So you can contact Lakshman. You can come and set it up.
Fantastic.
By any chance, any device available in Pune, sir, for demo?
Yeah. Pune from next week it will be available.
Okay. Sorry to interrupt you in between. Thanks.
No problem. Yeah.
Thank you. I think I will get in touch with either of you for a demo in the next week.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Are we done?
Yeah. So there are any other clarifications we can clarify? Okay. Thanks everyone for the participation. We have given the contact details of our regional people. You can contact them for any demos. So thank you everyone.
Thank you all. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thanks all.